If you want to find out how my no-buy is going, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. It is that time. It is time for me to talk about my no-buy and give you an update. So it is January, February, March now, 3 months of this no-buy. And you might be wondering how I'm doing. Well, it's been interesting. I think I'm doing okay, and I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. And this past month of March, I've also done something pretty big, which is answering your assumptions about me. And if you want additional context, it is a long video. It's over 50 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. I will put it right there if you want to take a look. And the reason I mentioned that video is because it really had me thinking about things. What do I really think of this? How do I really feel about that? Because I was answering assumptions, and I even discovered things about myself that I really didn't know before, like why I had an issue with olive or khaki green and orange eyeshadow. And I finally just kind of articulated that in that video. And it was kind of a light bulb moment for both of us, because I don't think I'd actually clarified that reason for myself. Anyway, if you are curious, I would recommend that video. I would recommend it. Okay. All right. So when it comes to this no-buy, I'll say the following. I'm doing fine as far as purchasing makeup. I have gone on a few sites, perused, played around with putting stuff in my cart, but I knew that I was playing. Now, you could say I was playing with fire, but I really felt like I was playing, and I just ended up deleting everything out of my cart and walking away, and I was just fine with that. I still like makeup. It's not like I'm not going to like makeup, but I enjoyed window shopping without feeling the need to purchase, because I sure as heck was not going to try to explain myself in one of my no-buy video updates. So that kept me in check. Thank you. You kept me in check. I did purchase some things though, but I don't think that any of them are egregious, and you can tell me if you think I'm out to lunch. So let's see, what do I have here? I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. And I do want to clarify, if anyone's not sure, you're going to see a number of, if you haven't already, Glam Light products. Those 3 products were purchased, those 3 products plus other Glam Light products that were part of packages, those were purchased last year. They are not from 2022 by any stretch. So those are that. And then I also have some products from, some palettes from Juvia's Place that I did purchase last year. And I even have some stuff from BH Cosmetics. Yeah, I know. I have stuff from BH Cosmetics that I'm going to be swatching and showing on this channel. So none of those are purchased from this year. If you see a palette, I'll fess up if it's something I bought. If you see a palette and lipstick and that kind of thing, unless I tell you in a no-buy that I purchased it, it is from my collection. It's already in my collection. So, all right. I think my disclaimers are done, and I can get into showing you some of the products. Well, not some, all of the products that were purchases this past month. Now, this first product was, I was actually going to the post office at Shoppers Drug Mart, and by the post office line, there is the clearance section, and I am very price sensitive right now, and the clearance section is a pretty big deal for me for products that are staples that I can be very opportunistic with. And one of the products that was in that shelving unit was this product. The Olay SPF 15 UVA UVB moisturizing cream, and it's 60 ml. So that's the box itself. That's what I saw on the shelf. And this is what the container looks like, and it is 60 ml. 60 ml is kind of high. Very often a moisturizing cream is around 50 ml, so I was pretty happy about that. And this one I have actually been using, and so I can show you the inside, but it's not brand new. I have been using it. And the thing with this is that they were $8.50 Canadian each. And I always seem to have points with Shoppers Drug Mart, so it was less than that. $8.50 a jar for 60 ml of a face cream. I was so happy about that. I don't really care about the SPF. I'll just be clear about that. To me, it's a daily moisturizer, as in a day moisturizer, not a nighttime moisturizer. And for $8.50, this was a fantastic price for someone who right now does not have a whole lot of money but still wants to moisturize her face. You know, who likes tight skin once you've washed your face? So that's what it looks like, and they were clearing it out, and they had 3. So I did buy all 3 because $8.50 each. Are you kidding me? For 60 ml each. It's a super, super great deal. Moisturizer like that, if you think about it, it's like $25 for a jar would not be unusual. So for me to get 3, it's almost like 3 for the price of 1 if I've purchased just a slightly higher end drugstore cream, that would have been the price bracket. So I'm really happy with that. And yeah, the price around $25 for 3 was, I just couldn't pass it up. It's kind of in my budget. So yeah, I'll be using that for a while, and I'm not sad about it. And since we're on Shoppers Drug Mart, let me show you another product. This is a product, and now usually it lasts me about 10 years. And it is a medicated ointment, and I use it for all sorts of things. If my cuticles are really dry, if my lips are dying, if I have some other ailments, like friction issues or whatever, then this is a good one. So if you have say a sore on one toe and it's rubbing against another toe, then this is the kind of medicated ointment that's great. And I think you can tell I'm almost out. And I was really concerned about running out, because this is the kind of medicated ointment that you go reach for when you need it. And the idea of being out and having a need was just not very appealing to me. So I have probably in here, I'm going to say 3-4 uses, and I'll be out. So I ended up getting a replacement, so that I don't worry about needing this product and not having it in the house when I need it. So pretty happy. It is a pain relieving menthol camphor rub, and my family swears by it. I was raised on it, and therefore it is a staple in my medicine cabinet. And I think I am down to the last product. And that is this was a discovery. So I have these guys, and this was part of a Christmas package of Olaplex. I have, this is a medium size container. I have minis at my boyfriend's place, and this would be a medium size. Now, if you go to Sephora Canada, these guys are, I believe, $38 a piece. And this is the conditioner and the shampoo. So these are two kind of fundamental Olaplex products. $38. 3.3 fluid ounces is $38. Again, Sephora. Well, I went hunting on Amazon and I found Olaplex number 5, same thing, bond maintenance conditioner. And here is the size of the bottle I found on Amazon for $38. Same product. Same product, nearly 3 times the amount for the same cost. So when I found it, because I was starting to look for a deal for this size, at something that I could afford, more so afford, because this shampoo is amazing. It takes a dime size in the palm of your hand, and my hair has been so much better since I've started using this shampoo, and it does not take a lot. I mean, I've been using these containers for at quite a number of weeks already, and it's amazing how long they last. But I was really concerned about, could I find an affordable way of getting this when I run out? So I'm really very happy to have a replacement Olaplex product. And yeah, I just really took a good look at the 2 bottles. It's the same stuff, QR code and everything. They're the same. So I don't think that I've been gypped. I think that they are genuine products, and when I use them, I will know for sure. But they were not. They didn't seem to be a reseller. It looked like it was Amazon directly. So I'm pretty happy. 8.5 fluid ounces as opposed to the 3.3 size, and for the same price of $38 Canadian. That was just fantastic, and I know that I have just cut my shampoo cost for the very, very same product as far as I know, and I'm really happy. And I'm really happy with the caveat that once I use them, for sure, I will know. But the write-up and everything looked absolutely legitimate, so I'm pretty happy about that. And I say that just because, to me, until you use a product, you don't know for sure if it's the same thing, right? And that's going to take me a while. I'm not going to crack into the new bottles until the smaller ones are done. And I do like the fact that these smaller ones, that I can still keep them for travel, right? I can just refill whatever I need for when I'm on the go, because they're smaller, definitely not travel size, but they're reasonable size for me to bring with me on a trip if that's what I'm doing, although I don't foresee that this year. Things are different this year. So that's pretty much it. I don't have a whole lot to talk to you about. I got 3 containers of Olay skin cream for $8.50 a piece. I got medicated ointment for $11 Canadian, and the Olaplex almost 3 times the amount for the same price. I think I did okay for my no-buy. All of these were replacement products, and products I would argue that I need, that are fundamental to taking care of myself. And I did not find, I'm not going to have much drama, I did not find this month super difficult. I really, I think, have resolved or resigned myself to the fact that I really need to be thrifty and opportunistic, but opportunistic only if it's the same kind of amount of money as I would spend no matter what for a given product. Anyway, and you will see some other, as I mentioned at the very beginning of the video, you will see some other palettes that are coming into what I love to do, which is swatches. All of them were purchased before, as in well into last year, and well before the no buy. So I'm just using up back inventory, if you will, and still able to give you some fun content and some commentary and whatnot. And I hope that that will be enough fun for us to enjoy the videos, continue to enjoy the videos on this channel. I have rambled enough. I thank you so much. Let me know what you think of what I've done during this third month of my no buy. Yeah, let me know. With that, I say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.